You have talked now about differentiating the kingdoms and reaching the sub-kingdom.
Mm-hmm.
Now, when you've reached the sub-kingdom, is there what is then the approach to come to the remedy?
Yes, because we still have a lot of remedies. This question I get like, okay, we know it's a spider. We have 8,000 spiders or 80,000, I've got the real number, but anyway, how many spiders do we know? We know we have to give an insect. Which insect? We have millions of insects and we have 15 provings or something. So, which one to give?
Yeah.
Again, I wouldn't ask directly, like, is there any particular spider that you like or dislike? Although some people do. They give a book of spiders to a patient and say, I'm terrified by spiders and I hate them and look, I can't even look at them. And then they give a book with spiders and which one are you disgusted by most?
Yeah.
I don't know if it's a good idea. Same with insects. Okay, you hate insects. Which insect do you hate most? What answer can you expect? The person will give you an example of something that is known. And in fact, in homeopathy, which is a bit funny, and that's why I call it symbolizing, we mostly deal with the known. And what is unknown is beyond our vision and seems to be beyond our experience. So we cannot give a remedy that we don't know, and the patient will never tell us the name of a remedy he doesn't know, which would be absurd. And this is what happens when you show them pictures. They will just point to a picture, and then to assume that this is the remedy they need, I'm not sure. That's a good method. So even if there are 20,000 different spiders, and we have a representative of every different kind of spiders, I think that'll do. Maybe it's not exact similibum, but probably close enough to have a good reaction. So we have web spiders, we have trapdoor spiders, we have wolf spiders, and maybe a few more that I'm forgetting now. And we have a representative for every kind of spider. And we have a proving of those representatives. So that is what I would recommend then. Okay, you know it's a spider, fine. Now we have to even be more precise and figure out whether it's a web spider or not. How do you know it's a web spider? Because in a web spider, there must be a web. Simple as that. Or the patient will talk about the web, he will use the image, or he will talk about something sticky. And that's what they do. When you need a spider and they talk about something sticky, even in a, how to say, in an image. Like once a patient said, I have these sticky memories, which is a funny expression. It's not a common expression. It's his personal expression, like memories stick to me. But he called them sticky, and sticky is something that sticks to your fingers. Normally it's not what we say with memories. So he used the word in an unusual expression, and he used it more than once. He was losing his thread, he said a few times. If a patient says this, it's common, but if he says sticky memories, and I'm losing my thread, and there was something else I forgot. So it all points to this web. Then you can decide, I need a web spider. And another thing is web spiders balloon. You know that? They, in order to go from one place to another, they flow with the wind, and this is called ballooning. And this person uses this funny expression as well. So a representative of even a more precise group within the subkingdom. That's what I'm trying to say. So if we need a snake, we try to find out whether we need a warm snake or a cold one. Whether we need a poisoned one or an unpoisoned one, a not poisoned one. Whether we need strangler's snake or a poisonous snake. And we have representatives. If you know you need a strangler's snake, then we have python and what is it? Tell me the other ones. You have pythons, you have cobra. No, it's not cobra. Anyway, we have two or three.
A very big, large one from Latin America.
Yeah, yes. Yes, yeah. The one in the water. Yeah, well, we have a few. So we have a few representatives. That's what I'm trying to say. So we have to choose either one on the basis of materia medica. That's the best we can do. But then our search is already narrowed down to a few species. And then the final result will be a new final
choice.
The final choice will be your materia medica.
Okay.
Whether you can find similarity or enough similarity in the picture of the proving and your patient. So if you find something matching there, it will be good enough,
Okay.
precise enough.
Okay.